Okay, so there are two really simple ways to sync audio in Premiere. Oftentimes, cameras have built-in microphones to capture audio, but they're usually not very good quality. So a lot of the times people will use external microphones that sound a lot better. So for this first example, I've got my camera and camera audio, as well as two audio tracks for my two speakers. And this first way is super simple. All you have to do is highlight all of your clips, right click, scroll down, and click on Synchronize. Go ahead and click on OK. And Adobe Premiere will analyze the audio files, look at the waveforms, and find the matching point and automatically move them so that they're synced up. So as you can see right there, it jumped the audio, and this is where the match point is. And if I zoomed really far into the audio file, you can see that the waveforms match up, especially right here. A lot of the times when someone's laughing, you can see the waveform spike up and you can see that it matches up. So super simple, it works with multiple speakers, and that I would recommend as the first option to try if you're trying to sync audio. Now occasionally I've experienced where I right click and click synchronize and Adobe Premiere for whatever reason won't sync the files, so I have to manually do it. Now this way is also fairly simple, so let me go ahead and show you the second example. So for this second method, I call it clap syncing. You've probably seen this before where people will clap in front of the camera, or on movie sets they have those clappers that are black and white and show the scene and shot number. Those are for audio syncing purposes. When you make a clap, it puts a spike in the audio waveform, and so it's easy to tell where it is. So for this example, I've got another camera clip with camera audio, and as you can see there's a spike right here, which is a clap, and then in my good audio there's also a spike with a clap. Now you have to make sure that the spike is the same spike, so you may have to listen to the audio. If there's ever a plosive, those are also spikes, so watch out for that. But in this case, I have two spikes. I was shooting and did a clap twice. Not sure why I did that, but I did. So this spike lines up with this spike. And to sync the audio, all you have to do is make sure that the spikes line up perfectly. So I would recommend zooming in as far as you can and getting them to as close to the same as possible, so when you listen to them, it sounds like it's one audio. If you have it like one frame off, it may sound like a slight echo, so you'll want to pay attention to that, but that is the other way to sync your audio. Now, what I would recommend after syncing your audio with either example 1 or example 2 is I would delete the camera audio because it's no longer needed. Move up the good audio, and you can highlight these, right click, and click link. And now whenever you move these, they will always stay synced together. So hopefully this was helpful for you in syncing your audio. It's really not as difficult as it may seem. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you're ever tired of doing your own video editing, make sure to reach out to us here at Creatorluxe. We'd love to help you edit your videos. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one.